this natural, delicious Viagra mixture made him powered like a horse, even at 80 years old. I'm starting by peeling a pineapple using a sharp knife. Please be careful not to cut your finger. Hello and thank you for joining Green Juice channel. Please click on the subscribe button to be part of the club. Thank you. Then I will cut it into slices and into small cubes like so. Pineapples are rich in antioxidants like manganese, which is #1 libido booster. Happy to hear that? Today's special greetings go to ENGWL from Singapore and Yila Shang. Thank you so much for subscribing and also watching our videos. And you can be next as well by commenting where you're watching from and subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Also for this libido boosting recipe, I will be adding ginger. Scrape off the skin and cut it into smaller slices. Now add it into the blender as well. This recipe is so delicious and efficient. I will add 300 ml of water and blend at high speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Question of the day. How do you say pineapple in your language? Write your answers in the comment section below. I will now add a cheesecloth into a clean large bowl. Pour in all the mixture and squeeze the juice out, leaving the pulp. Your natural Viagra is ready. Let me know in the comment section how it turned out when you made yours by rating it on a scale of 1 to 10. Thanks for watching it to the end, and don't forget to share and like the video.